All right, y'all. Guys, it's your man Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach. We're out in the city right now, guys. We're about to go into this property. We just pulled up and it looks kind of terrible on the outside, so we're about to go into here. We got a lot of stuff to do right now. We got a lot of stuff going on, so let me just go ahead and get to this property. Matter of fact, let's go ahead. We're gonna make this one full swoop. All right, I'll see y'all in a sec. All right, guys, so this is the property right here. Not gonna lie, off first glance, I'm automatically thinking that this might be a teardown. Hey, how's it going? All right, all right. All right.
Be careful. We've been vacant for some years, you know.
Yeah.
Leaks and things like that.
Yeah. Man, look pretty rough.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's the gutter right here. Let me,
Yeah.
I just want to record everything.
All right, be careful.
All right. Stable right here.
Yo!
You ever seen some people in here before?
I think I was in here minutes ago when I was getting near the door when somebody knocked something over right up in here.
Yeah.
They roll out, yeah.
Damn. Believe it
or not, we didn't leave it in this condition. My grandma died, nobody just moved in. But you know, people start squatting.
Right,
You know what I'm
yeah.
saying?
Man, you know how people be. Look, they done left the windows open and everything.
The roof started to leaking and it leaked all the way from the top all the way down to here.
Yeah.
But we all grew up in this house.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot of us, really.
Man, the memories.
Yeah.
All right, let me see if I can go down this way, son. Okay, is this one of the rooms right here? Let's see what we got here. Whew. Yeah, look like we need a lot of work.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the bathroom right here. Just
Yo, come out, bro. You good, man? Yo. It could have been next door.
Yeah, I hear that too, yeah.
Yo. Hold up. Alright.
Right, man, they said, oh, that was a close one. Yeah, people then came through and just did whatever they wanted to with the place.
Yeah. It's the third floor up there with like maybe 4 bedrooms.
Damn.
3 or 4, they small though.
Yeah.
You got a bedroom here, bedroom right there. It's another bedroom right there. At the end of the door.
Damn.
And that door's a bedroom. That's the washroom right there.
Damn. Okay, here, let me just try to see if I can, how much of this I can capture real quick. All right, I'm just gonna get right up in here.
That's my drill outside. I'm gonna get it for somebody's neck.
Okay, yeah, for sure. All right, y'all. It's not looking good, y'all. Man.
Before we go upstairs?
Oh, yeah.
Be careful. It's, I wonder, like I said, it's been like a year since I've been up there.
Right.
It was stable. We walked all the way up there.
Yeah. All right, let's check it out. Steps.
Oh, that's shingles. Oh, that shit coming through.
Right, yeah, you know what? I don't want to go too far up in here. But you said it's like how many bedrooms though up here?
Up there, like 3.
Damn. Yeah, that's crazy. This is a big, enormous place, right? Isn't this window open right here? It's a tragedy when things like this happen in places. Ooh. Yeah, this whatchamacallit, kind of unstable right here, this porch. Yeah, it's a little, it's wobbly. There's the block. Yeah, this place is a definition of a piece of shit. This place is absolutely enormous though. This thing got like 9 beds, man. It's ridiculous. A little mold damage right there, look like a little fire pit right here. Man, this could have been the spot, honestly. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4 car garage. We out here, man. Typical situations, man. We probably gonna end up passing on this place though, honestly. It's not gonna work. All right, peeps. So we just left this property back here. We're about to get up out of here. That place is absolutely destroyed, as y'all saw in the video, man. These are the types of things that you have to see, like online. This property doesn't have any pictures of the inside, so you know we don't want to judge a book by its cover. Yeah, it looks terrible on the outside, but you can't really see that online. But now that we've actually come here in person, guys, we can pretty much surmise that it's probably going to be a dead mission unless we find somebody that's really interested in a teardown around here. So, but we'll keep you updated, guys. Just wanted to make this quick video so you all can check out some of these properties while we're checking them out, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button now and subscribe to the channel if you're new. You know what I'm saying?
All right, guys, let's make that money.
All right, now go on. Look, crazy lady. All right, though, guys. Till next time, I'm out.